Hi, in this tutorial I'll explain how to create a decentralized identifier using our platform godiddy.com. So in order to get started, hover over Manage DIDs, click on Create. Now you choose a DID method from the list above, so let's say didindy. You have to fill in the DID document, so let's say you want to add a service, for example. You click on Add a Service, you choose a type, you enter the service endpoint, and you add the service. You now have to choose which network you want to create your DID on. By default, this is the Decentralized network for the didindy method, but you can also choose any other network from the Hyperledger Indy networks. You can also choose to opt in client managed secret mode. You click on Create DID, and as you can see, the request has been successfully processed. In order to check if the DID was successfully created, you can also resolve the DID again. So I paste my DID here, I resolve it, and as you can see, there is a DID document again in standard format. So you also want to create your DIDs maybe on a command line tool. Therefore, I would go to our documentation again. There is a list of example DIDs, as you can see here, but for now we stick to the didindy method again. So I use this curl command. Ideally, you would use your own API key here. You enter the DID method, and for didindy you have to enter the options, which is which network again you want to use. So I just copy this one here, I paste it in my favorite command line tool, and there you go. So these were two ways to create a decentralized identifier using our godiddy platform. Thank you very much for listening, and see you in the next video.